Hello guys, this is the second module, or should I say the third module of this course. Okay, now I told you in the last video that I'm going to be teaching you two different methods of how you can calculate your pre-order items. Okay, now the first method is the product page method, and the second method is the cart method. Now these two methods can be used. The first method is easy for you to calculate, but the second method is a little bit hard for you to calculate. Okay, now you should already know how to use this 1688 site. If you don't know how to use 1688 site, register for our first course so that you can be able to know how to use the 1688 site. Okay, now the product page method is quite simple. Okay, you just use all the things that you see on the product page, and the cart method is you add everything to cart and you calculate it that way. Now the one that is more accurate is the cart method, but the product page method is also accurate in some ways. But if you follow what I'm doing, it's going to be almost the same thing. All right, you're not going to lose any money. So the major criteria you need to use, you need to use when you are calculating for your pre-order is the price, the local shipping fee, agent fee, current RMB rate, and shipping to Nigeria. Okay, to shipping to Nigeria. So now let us go to the 1688 site. Okay, let's go to 1688 site. Now this 1688 site, we have this bag. We are using, for example, 18.5 RMB for 3 pieces and above. 200 to 1999 pieces is 18 RMB. Then 2000 pieces and above is 17 RMB. Okay, now if you want to calculate, now let's go back to the instruction. Divide the local shipping fee on the product page by the MOQ. Okay, now what is the MOQ? The MOQ means, well, I've said it before. MOQ means, minimum order quantity. Like what can you start with? What's the amount you can use to buy the bag? What's the least amount you can buy a bag? And here is 3 pieces. Okay, now it's going to be what? 1 here divided by 3. So let's go to our calculator. We have 1 divided by 3, 0.33. What's the price? 18.50 plus 18.50. The answer you get is 18.83. Okay, now after you do that, what you didn't say you should do then, he said, and add it with the price. I've added it to the price. Now you said you can add like 2 to 3 RMB to it. Now 2 RMB, let's say 2 RMB. Okay, 2 RMB, then multiply by current RMB rate. What's the current RMB rate? You ask your agent what's the current RMB rate, and the current RMB rate now is 93. So you multiply by 93, that is 1937.5. let's just say 1938 RMB, and 1938 naira for the bag. Do you understand? Now that's the amount for the bag. Do you understand? Now once you are done with that, you have used the price and local shipping fee. You have used current RMB rate. So what's left is agent fee and shipping to Nigeria. Now for all pre-order customers, the thing we are doing now for them is we are charging them 5% of their total charge. All right, so it means that if you are buying goods worth 100,000 naira, we are going to be charging you 5%. Normally we charge 8%, but we're going to be doing 5% for you guys so that you guys can make enough profit. All right, now let's say this is 5%. 100,000 divided by 100, 5,000 naira. So if you are buying goods worth 100,000, we'll be charging you 5,000 naira. All right, so that's about that. So now another thing is shipping to Nigeria. Okay, now the shipping to Nigeria is about we have 7 to 10 days. We have sea shipping of about 2 months. This is how it works. All right, so now I've explained to you how product page method works. So let's just use another example before we proceed. All right, now let's say I want to buy this bag. Now let's say I want to buy this bag.